In this question, I say that the derivative of denominator is given on in numerator, so I can use here substitution method. If I substitute 6 cos x plus 4 sin x equals to t, and its derivative, which is 3 cos x minus 2, sorry, its derivative, which is 6, derivative of cos x is minus of sin x, and derivative of sin x is cos x, equals to dt dx with respect to x, and here it is with respect to t. So it will be minus 6 sin x plus 4 cos x dx, or I can say it is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx, or multiply by 3 equals, sorry, multiply by 2 equals to dt. So in our numerator 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dt is given, dx is given, so I need to find out the value of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equals to dt by 2. So in our question, integration of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x and divide by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x equals to, sorry, dx. So putting the value of t and dt by 2 in the question, the integration will transform in 1 by t multiplied by dt by 2. So since 1 by 2 is constant, so 1 by 2 integration dt by t. So I can integrate integration dt by t easily. So it will be 1 by 2 log mod t plus c. So I can put the value of t in the answer, then the answer will be log 6 cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. So this will be our answer.